Thawbal Court Complex ngasi National Investigation Agency NIA Gi Special Court ama hangdokre. Court asina NIA gi case sing thengnabada khudong chahalagani haina Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana phongdokre. Department of Law and Legislative Affairs na High Court of Manipur ga khusamnaduna Thawbal Court Complex ke annex building ahum suba matholda NIA gi Special Court hangdokpagi thoram aduda Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana hai. NIA gi akhanaba court ama lamdam asida hangdokliba asina case kaya loishinaba khonabada kumang chawshin hanba ngamlagane. Manipur ase irang toina thokpa leibak ama oibana tongan ba NIA gi case kaya lei. Casing asi thengnanabagi damak Manipur gi wangmada chatlamba adu lamdam asida NIA gi akhanaba court ama leirabanina madugi mathau tararoi. Masina arembada miyamgi sel amasung matam manghalamba adu so kokhanba ngamlagane. Court asi leibana achuma wayal athubada phanghanbagi system amasu soidana ubu phanglagani haibagi achoba thajaba ama lei haina Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchana makhatana phongdokhe. Ngasigi thawram aduda Home amasung Yaski Minister Govindas Kothauja, High Court of Manipur ge Chief Justice M Sundar, High Court of Manipur ge Justice A Bimol, Justice A Guneshwar Sharma, Khangabo ACG MLA Okram Surja Kumar amade Principal Secretary Law Arun Kumar Sinha su maru oiba mitunglen sing oina saruyakhe. Thawram aduda state amade district level officer tongan ba court ke judge amade advocate kaya su saruyakhe. Ningsing bayabade NIA Special Court ase India lenga ke Ministry of Home Affairs na National Investigation Agency Act 2008 ke Section 11 ke makhada Special Court Manipur for NIA cases haina court ase Thawbal Court Complex sa hangdokpane. Court asina Thawbal District khaktan natana Manipur pumbagi NIA case singi trial chathagane. Court asida NIA Act 2008 ke Section 11 subsection 1 ke makhada Manipur High Court ke Chief Justice amasung Manipur lenga ka loinana Scheduled offense singe trial sing NIA na thizinduna chathagadabani haire.
Samna Manipura yanaba NIA gi court ama leibasina justice delivered over matamda pagi kumang chawshanna thuna tawani haibagi thajaba thanjari loinana irang leiba lebakina NIA related court case aduki matik yamna leibanina ekoi client singna mapanda chatna am expensive waina chalam buduma handarani haibagi aduki aingonda koi hause loina justice delivered over atuba matanda tawbugi system ama nakna leibanina oiragani aina khajaraganda 18 million kulumpu akaru punglu sari jai.
The judiciary, the investigating agencies, the prosecution, and the bar, particularly the defense counsel, must come together, muster the institutional resolve necessary to ensure that these proceedings are conducted with utmost professionalism and constitutional fidelity. Liberty is the cornerstone of Article 21, and equally, national security cases cannot remain suspended in an interminable interregnum between investigation and verdict. It is a delicate balance. Justice in such matters must proceed with fairness, firmness, and constitutional fidelity without any gap between each other. This is the constitutional philosophy underpinning establishment of this exclusive court today.